Money Maker Bandit. Always popular. Early Bird Special for Tuesday, March 16th. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked Early Birds Pro Sports Capper in the world. Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked Late Night Pro Sports Capper in the world. Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked Flip a Coin Pro Sports Capper in the world. And after last night, MLB Bandits NHL 4-2 record last night. Videos posted yesterday on YouTube. 4-2 record. Bandits gonna go for the #1 rank NHL Pro Sports Capper in the world. So be on the lookout for Bandits NHL plays today. The #1 ranked NHL Pro Sports Capper in the world. Early Bird Special Major League Baseball Edition. New York Yankees versus Detroit. Money Maker Bandit playing quarter unit play. Money Maker Bandit. New York Yankees -150 on the money line. New York Yankees -150 on the money line. Quarter unit play. Will you fade or no fade? Play Bandit's fade or no fade game. Money Maker Bandit, king of the 1-minute videos. Making you money in 1 minute. Money Maker out.